Well, in my number 2, I'm going to mention it as direct sales. I don't know how you're going to get this, but with direct sales, I'll try to explain this in this video. I've done that because I wanted to make things easier for you. What I mean is by making your own shop directly onto that website so that you can sell your stuff directly to your client without being an affiliate marketer. So one of the sites where you can do this is Jumia. You can sell your products directly to Jumia. As well you can do on Amazon, eBay, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. These are the major sites I'm recommending, and many other sites where you can sell, like Code Academy, and some sites which sell tutorials and many stuffs. So with direct sales, you can sell books, you can sell second-hand devices, you can sell software, you can sell many stuffs as much as you can. So you can be having some books, you can be having some PDFs which you see as of value, but you can upload them to certain sites and they're bought at a cost as well. Yeah, a freelancer. So with being a freelancer, you can be teaching how to code, anything, you can do it online on some websites which I'll mention here, like Fiverr, websites like Upwork, websites like there are many sites. I may not complete the list here. Option number 4. Well, in option 4, I'm having network marketing. With network marketing, you can, of course, I don't recommend you to do network marketing, but if you find it and if you make a research about it and you find that it's worth a try, of course, I can't stop you from doing that. But of course, I don't want you to make something which will screw up your life in something. But with network marketing, this is where you get a pool, like you make people, you pay up for some stuff and then you bring another person, that person pays, you gain. So it's like creating a chain. You create a network of people, whereby if the other one brings a certain customer, you gain. So it could be in terms of selling medicine, it could be in terms of just doing nothing, like you just pay once and then you start bringing more people so that you keep earning. And this has resulted into many issues about what people have to do with network marketing. So I beg that if I told you can maybe try other stuffs other than network marketing, but if you insist, of course, I can't stop you from network marketing. But that's one. I'll make a full description of that when time come for. The other way of making money online is blogging. Blogging means like you can be knowing some stuff, like you may be good at tech, you may be good at graphics, you may be good at dancing, you may be good at any stuff you're passionate about it, as what we refer to as a niche. So if at all you have something that you can do online, something you can do and you're ready to share it out, and you can write, if you're a good writer, of course, I can't hinder you from doing anything you want. So you just go up to some sites, you set up your own blog and you start writing there some good content, and of course people will like it and they'll hire you for trainings. You can put adverts there, you can put your affiliate links there, you can put, say that it turns out to be a way of generating income for you. So I will also make a video about blogging when times come. Well, in the other option, I will call it vlogging, in other words, video logging. With video logging, this is where you create videos, and you, just like this one, you upload it on some sites, and those videos in turn, they will generate for you some income in terms of sponsorships, in terms of your way you put your affiliate links. There are many ways of making money through vlogging. One is if I told you upload a video on YouTube, if I told you upload and you use there are many other sites where you can make money, like Likey, like TikTok. There are many sites where you can upload and still you'll be making money. Just like I've said before, I'll be also making a video on vlogging and how you can make money through it. But right now we are listing ways how you can make money online. Well, on my last list I have web designing, shipping, bulk messages, and shoutouts. Well, I've listed these as one because these are mostly done by professionals, and these are mostly done by, if I told you already famous online. Okay, you might not be famous, but you need some technical knowledge, because you have to go through the previous stuffs I've been mentioning so that you come up with this. With web designing, you can do it by being a freelancer. Of course, you be a freelancer online and you start doing web designing for people who need the websites. And then through shipping, you can do shipping for people, like you can be located in China, you can be located in Uganda, you can be located in some country, anywhere you could be located, and then you try, like you may be getting product orders from certain people and then you ship for them to their own countries. I hope I'm very clear. For instance, there are many sites where you can go, you sign up as a shipping agent, and these people, there are people who buy from sites like Alibaba, sites from 666, there are those sites, and then you receive an order and then you buy those products for them and then you ship for them. You retain the balance as your income. I hope I'm very clear on that. And then through bulk SMSing, you can buy bulk messages, like 1,000 messages. When time comes for bulk SMSing, I'll be able to show you how to do it, and I'll give a full video about it. But you buy a bulk messages and then you start selling them at a lower cost, but at a unit whereby you generally, in terms, it will be generating for you income. Then the shout outs, these are done by people who are already famous online and people who are already having full follow up. So someone can pay you if you have already a good platform where you can, like, you have a lot of followers, people will pay you, and then you shout out to their products, like you post their products, you mention this, you mention all their products, so that they can make sales. I hope I've explained a lot. I know I've missed some stuff. If I've missed some and you know it, you can comment box. I'll be able to answer to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We meet.